Well, not being a builder, it's just mind-boggling to me that you could take a plan for a house and then come up with a way to build the walls and stack them together on a truck and send them off somewhere, and them not have to sort through things to find out what they need next. That is just amazing organization.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, because it goes back to our engineering. We do use softwares to help us with the design process. And basically, when everything goes through the line, every single wall is marked with a number. And each bundle is marked with a number. So when we ship these bundles to a site and you have your floor, so you know bundle 1 is sitting on this location, bundle 2 is sitting on that location, and whenever the framers they open up that bundle 1, all these walls will fit in that particular position, and they already have a layout. So that they know build a wall 101 is over here, wall 102 is next to it, wall 103 is on this side, wall 104 on this side. They will lay out on the floor, just put it on the floor, nail in place, the room is done.
Wow.
So so after they put up all the walls, they come back, they level, they put the second top plate on, and then they go either with LVLs or they go with depending on trusses, floor trusses, whatever the case might be, and the building goes up.
So your company produces panelization for other builders, and then you also have your own building projects that you supply, is that right?
Correct.
Did you begin by just supplying others, or did you always have in mind doing your own projects as well?
No, we actually we do our own projects. But recently, probably about 7-8 months ago, we've had various companies approach us for just producing for them. So we either we supply the material and we produce for them and they install, or they supply the material, we produce for them and they install, or we have our own projects which we just do turnkey. We buy the material, we produce them, our teams go to the sites and they install them. So we do have, we provide those services from our side. When we go on site, normally what we do, we offer the services for the clients, and we give them buildings that are weather tight. So when a building is weather tight, that means we are closing the building, we're installing all the windows, the doors, and the roofs. And we offer also part of our services that we sub out to different subcontractors, but we manage them is roofing installation and siding as well. And decking, whatever decks are involved in these buildings. So this is part of the services that we do, but our core business is the framing and the building of the products here in the shop.
And how big of an area do you service around Middleborough?
No, but we don't only deal with Middleborough. Middleborough here, we have a 234 apartment complex. It's called the Woodlands. We've already put up for them 6 buildings and a clubhouse and all the garages. So those are already built for them. We just signed on a new contract next door for 2 buildings. But we also we do a lot of projects in in South Boston. We are currently involved in installation of 2 buildings. We already finished 2 buildings up there. That's this year. And last year we've done around 6 projects also in the South Boston area.
Wow.
So we're involved pretty much in the Boston, South Boston, Middleborough, and the south of Boston. Any projects in this area we have worked so far. But we're still open. I mean, we are bidding in projects in Rhode Island and in the north of Boston, but I mean we're a young company and we're growing.